check this thing out. It's a stainless steel 6-burner LED propane gas grill. You can look for it as item number 77352 on the website for monumentgrills.com. It's super powerful. It's a 6-burner stainless gas grill. It's got fast heat. We tested it out later. It's got even heat across the surface. I believe it because look at all these burners, man. It also has 634 inches of cooking space on the bottom and an additional 266 square inches on the warming rack. 84,000 BTUs delivered across those 6 stainless steel main burners, and there's 1 stainless steel side burner. Alright, it's got easy to read thermometer. We told you it's got the LED lights. They're in the handles, the knobs there. It's very cool, up to 30 hamburgers. A total, guys, 900 square inches of cook space, alright? It's got a temperature gauge. It's got a rotisserie kit. Look at this thing, dude. I've never had a rotisserie kit before. It's got a grease drip pan underneath, and it's got lockable wheels that rotate in all directions, not just backward or forwards. I hate those things, right? But look at that rotisserie kit, dude. It's electric. I'm very stoked to have this thing. Don't be a dummy. Move the warming rack out of the way, right? Guys, 30 hamburgers, 3 racks of ribs, 8 whole chickens, 25 chicken thighs, 7 pork butts. This is the Rolls Royce of gas grills. And just look at everything in here is just premium stainless steel. You got the drip pan down there, empties out of the bottom. Now, of course, you got to take the rotisserie off in order to access the side burner, or else the handle gets in the way. But look at that side burner. That's a big side burner. That's pretty nice. And of course, boom, check out those lights. It looks really cool at night. If you checked out my story, you would see that. I got some footage of it at night. Let's leave those on for now just because I feel like I'm flexing hard with that. Let's check out the compartment underneath. First off, 2 stainless steel doors, nice sturdy handles. Let's crack it open. You put your propane tank down here. You can see your drip pan. All of your connections come through easy. Look down here. One thing I hate is trying to get the tanks in and out of here. But look here, it's on a shelf. The shelf has a lock so you can move it around without fear of it bouncing around or something crazy happening. But look at it. It comes straight out. You can pull it straight off the shelf. Then you slide it right back in here. And again, like I said, lock, easy to use, locked in there, nice, secure. Guys, it's time to pop the seal on this bad boy. Let's turn these propane burners on. I can hear it. Yeah, you can hear that propane flowing right through there. Let's hit that electric ignition, 1 button. Boom! Whoa! Guys, you can't quite see it just yet, but boom, it came on, dude. You can see the heat starting to come off of there. Alright guys, so I'm going to close the lid here. I just want to kind of see how the heat builds on the thermometer and how well it holds. You can see that heat already going up. You see that? Let's give it a couple minutes and we'll check back with it. Alright guys, this thing has been running for 5 minutes now. Look at it, the temperature over 600 degrees. I'm literally in the tundra right now. It is so cold I can see my breath, and this bad boy is having no trouble with the heat. Let's pop it open. Look at that. That metal, look at that. I cannot wait to cook on this thing, man. You guys are going to have to check this out. Like I said, impeccable build quality, all stainless steel. It's got the rotisserie attachment. It's got the side burner, and you guys can get the 4-burner version of this. LED lights included and all. Absolutely free right now. Just check out the post. Follow Monument Grills. Follow us. Get it done. Guys, I'm going to make some videos on this. I haven't used a gas grill in years, but this is the one, my dudes.